Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Immigrant. So today's video is a bit different from my usual content, which is mainly on various courses and professions in Canada, because today we will be talking about the type of benefits that you can expect for your child if you're planning to move to Canada, the documents that you need to submit, and the few other topics that we will be talking about with our guest Vagish Sharma, who moved to Canada as an immigrant in 2020 with his family. So without any further ado, let's begin. So Vagish, as you mentioned that you came with your family, you moved to Canada with your family, with your wife and a kid. What kind of benefits do you get when you come with a kid? Like, what's the benefit for a kid? I know a lot of people were watching might be sailing the same boat. So if you can describe that as well.
The best part of Canadian government is that they support you in terms of two benefits. One is the childcare benefit and one is the childcare subsidy. Right. So when I say childcare subsidy, this will come when you will be leaving your kid in a daycare or during the when they will be enrolling themselves to the schools, or even there is a childcare subsidy which you are getting on monthly basis. That's a subsidy part, right? But there is something very important which is childcare benefit. So Canadian government, they recognize this. And that's something very, very good that, if you have a child, Canadian government always say that we want to support your child, giving you some kind of benefits, and that benefit is in a form of money. Right. So you have to, once you land in Canada, to go to the Canadian.ca website, Canadian Child Benefit, and you have to download a form. Which the form number is RC66, right? And you have to download this form, which says that Canada Child Benefits Application, where you have to, mention all the details about yourself, about your spouse, and about your child. And there in the document, they will be asking a lot of details about your past income, current income. And also they will be asking you about the status in Canada. So for example, they will be asking you the examples of acceptable documents would be the birth certificate of your child, the passport, even the immigration, refugee and citizenship Canada form, which we say that COPR. Right? You have to give all these details in the form. And also they will be asking you about the proof that you reside in Canada. So, it's possible that you are not residing or you are not staying in Canada, and you are asking for those benefits. That benefit is not for those people. This benefit is for those people who have landed in Canada and they're staying in Canada.
Right.
There are cases it has been observed that people are landing and they have landed in Canada for certain days. They stay here and they go back to their country. Right? They open the bank account and they give the information. So this is something very wrong. You have to adhere to the policies, which means that you have to stay in Canada. And you have to mention a proof that you reside in Canada with 3 documents. Either it's a lease agreement, rent receipt, or household bill, which could be gas, electricity, cable, or a driver license, or a vehicle registration, or a membership in social or professional organization. Right? So you have to provide 3 documents of whatever I am telling you. I told you 7 documents. You have to provide 3 out of those 7. Which gives you the information that you are residing in Canada. And you have to also provide the photocopy of 3 documents, another 3 documents, which will be giving you a kind of update to the Canadian government, which includes a letter from a daycare or a school authority, a letter from a social worker or a band council or a resettlement officer, a registration form or a receipt from an activity or club of the child, maybe a court order or whatever is a court order. I think there is the proper list is there. So basically, this is required to get a childcare subsidy. Right. So you don't need to fill 2-3 forms. If your child is going to daycare, you can fill the RC66S form, and you can also give the information that your child is going to take care, and you can also get that subsidy at that initial time. So it's a long waiting list when a child is going to the daycare and you get the subsidy. It's a long waiting list over there because everyone is working here and your child needs to go to daycare if they are less than the age of 4. So overall, I understand that childcare benefit is a very essential package what government of Canada is giving to the new immigrants, because new immigrants, they need money, of course, because it's very expensive here, and to support their child. It's not easy to build up a child here. There are so many expenses, right? Because of Corona, of course, the expenses are less nowadays, but still, you have to make sure that your child should get all the facilities, whatever as per their expectations when they come to Canada. So that's how Canadian government, they give you childcare benefits, and these benefits are there for the lower class. When I say lower class, means for the lower income class. So if your income for first year, of course, you can get the benefit because you are showing the income by converting those to the dollar with your country currency.